In trading, everyone talks about strategies, indicators, signals, and market predictions. But the harsh truth is this: without discipline, profit is almost impossible. And when you really understand why, it can honestly shock you. Because most traders don't lose due to lack of knowledge. They lose because they cannot control themselves. Discipline means following your plan even when your emotions scream the opposite. But what actually happens in reality? A trader says, "I will only risk 1% per trade." Then the market moves slightly in their favor, and suddenly greed kicks in. They increase the lot size. One bad candle appears, panic rises, and instead of accepting a small loss, they hold the trade, hoping it will reverse. That small loss grows bigger and bigger, and in that moment, discipline disappears completely. Here is the shocking part. The market doesn't destroy traders. Traders destroy themselves. The lack of discipline quietly eats their account from the inside. Think about this. You say you will wait for your setup, but after watching the chart for 1 hour, boredom starts. Suddenly, every candle looks like an opportunity. You enter a random trade. Then you enter another one. Now you are overtrading. Was this in your plan? No, but emotions took control. That's what kills consistency. Another example. You promise yourself, "I will use stop loss every time." But when price touches your stop loss level, fear takes over. You move the stop loss a little, then a little more. Eventually, the loss becomes so big that you freeze. At that moment, it's no longer trading, it's gambling with hope. And the worst part? After the loss, you swear you will never repeat it. But the next day, emotions return. The cycle repeats. This is why discipline is more important than strategy. A bad trader with discipline will slowly improve, but a good trader without discipline will eventually blow the account, because discipline protects you when emotions attack. Another shocking truth is that profits don't come from big winning trades. They come from controlling losing trades. Discipline means accepting you will be wrong many times. Most people cannot do this. Their ego wants to win every trade. So instead of accepting a small, controlled loss, they fight the market, and the market always wins against ego. Now think about risk management. Everyone knows it, but how many actually follow it every single day? Very few. Because discipline feels boring. It doesn't give dopamine. Gambling does. And that's why most traders secretly behave like gamblers while pretending to be traders. Discipline also means not trading when you are tired, angry, greedy, or emotional. But many people trade after a fight, after a bad day, or when they desperately need money. That mindset is dangerous. The market doesn't care about your needs. It only rewards patience and control. Let's be honest. You don't need another indicator. You don't need another magical strategy. What you truly need is the ability to follow your rules, accept losses calmly, avoid revenge trading, respect risk, and stop when you should. But these are exactly the things most people fail to do. If you really want to be profitable, discipline cannot be optional. It has to be your trading identity. Your rules must be stronger than your emotions, because discipline is the only barrier standing between you and total account destruction. So, next time before entering a trade, ask yourself one simple question. Am I following my plan, or am I following my emotions? Your answer will decide your future as a trader.